US30 dropping early this week till towards 32,500 has shown a good revival and it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. See, the last candle is also trying to initiate a reversal, but at the same time, higher lows, lower highs, sorry, higher lows, lower highs are indicating a consolidation, and once it breaks past 33,200 you can again expect 33,400, 500. Beyond this, certainly more bullishness we will see in detail. But before that, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. In this analysis, we'll first look into candlestick charts, next indicators. Towards the end, we'll try to find out our entry levels and strategy to profit next week. Yes, pressing the bell icon, which will also keep you updated with the daily targets which I share for Dow Jones. In fact, twice a day I share the targets, once with the Asia session, next with the US cash session. So do not miss those targets as well. Let's start, and on the weekly charts, first go back to on the weekly charts. You can see after a couple of red candles, see higher highs are seen. This time, after achieving the higher highs, we have seen a sharp reversal, and see, the last two candles body size has diminished here. Now it is trying to retrace again. Lower lows are done and it is trying to reverse. Now what can I expect next week if it trades beyond 33,200 levels? Definitely there is a possibility for it to achieve 33,500, which is certainly going to be a very good resistance. And then beyond that, you can expect another round of good rise, taking it till towards 34,000, the next resistance level. At the same time, dropping below this zone at 32,800, 32,900, you can expect that there could be a sharper red candle, because this is just a pit stop in between the bearishness. See what has happened here. You can see this rise, couple of red candles, then a red candle, then a green candle, and after this achieving these levels, it has again seen a good dump. And if it is trying to mirror from here, because see, we have seen a reversal candle here, which means that it can resume the bear journey. It means first thing, it has to break past this zone at 32,200 levels, and then there could be a sharp drop which might bring it till towards 31,000 levels also, because that is the next pit stop. First 31,400, then 31,000 levels. So yes, if you consider this as reversal candle, after this reversal, if you consider this as a symmetry, you can expect that the next candle could be equally big. I will wait for it to happen, but let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen, and yes, if it breaks past this, and if it breaks past 32 33,600 levels, then the next target for me is directly for it to hit at 34,000 levels, and beyond 34,000 more bullishness can be expected. That is one part to it. And trading below 32,800, if you see it trading below 32,800, certainly more bearishness might bring it till towards 32,600, 500, and breaking below 32,500 stay short for another round of good drop, taking it till towards 32,000 levels. Now see, first on the daily charts, higher highs are seen, then it is trying to reverse here. This is again a pit stop, this is again a consolidation zone, and below this everybody knows that the next target is going to be 32,000 level. So again, what we saw on the weekly charts is getting reflected here, but look at the last two candles and look at the behavior here. Green, red, green, half the previous candle size. Now possibility for it to trade bullish from here exists, but at the same time it has to break past 33,500, 600 zone, and certainly trading above 33,500, 600 only we can expect little more bullishness. Then 34,000 is a must here. Now we have seen the daily charts. Let's have a further detail look on the monthly candle. On the monthly candle, now look at monthly candle. First is where could be the closing of the month. Now see this, multiple candles coming together here, 32,800, 33,000 zone. Can you see this, multiple candles getting either the closing or the opening at these levels? This indicates that this could be a potentially good target for this monthly closing at 32,800, 33,000 levels. That is one part to it. Next part is, look at the candles here, higher lows are seen, and if you connect the dots, higher highs are here. So it is trying to trade in this. Maybe it can try to initiate a possibly doji or a smaller bodied red candle, which means that there is a potential. See, if it has to cool down the indicators a bit, which are bearish as of now, possibility exists that it can try to give a very good rise till towards 34,000 levels also, and close at around 34,000, 34,200 with a smaller red body, and then next month will also be try to consolidate. So we have to be watchful and observant on the monthly candles here. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting? On the indicators front, you can observe that yes, it is trading the 20 and 50 period moving average, however very well above the 100 period moving average. Also the bottom of the Bollinger Bands at 32,500 levels are giving it a support. At the same time, there is a push on the downside. There is a possible crossover between the 20 and 50 period moving average. Now 34,000 levels certainly is going to be a very good resistance, because beyond which next bullish move might take it above 34,500 levels. That is the next resistance zone. Now look at the directional movement. This is bearish here. It is divergent. The stochastic was oversold. Now trying to look upwards, enter into a bullish or overbought zone. The MACD here was bearish so far. It is trying to converge. Let's see if it gives a crossover and enter into buy zone again. See, it has completed the journey till here. Now it is looking forward to a rise from here. Let's see if it does. The RSI is also seeing the lows, trying to trade in this. We'll wait for it to cross over again on the buy side. Now look at the weekly. On the weekly chart, there is a 150 period crossover is here. Now it is trying to limit itself. The 100 period moving average on the upside at around 33,500 levels, giving it a good resistance, while the 50 period are giving it a good support, while 20 weeks average is at 32,000 level. And yes, in fact, this can try to come back till towards those levels. The directional movement is bullish on the weekly charts. It is trying to converge. The stochastic was overbought and hence seen a good drop since till now. The MACD is in green and it is trying to converge crossover for a sell. So on the weekly charts, it's a different story, while on the daily charts, you can see it's something different. But yes, on the weekly charts, see, after double bottom, it can potentially take a high again. There is a potential for it, but we have to be observant. RSI is comfortable here, trading in the median zone there. Now on the monthly candle trading above the 20-50-100 moving average, it is still trying to trade bullish. And if you look at the directional movement, this is bearish. The stochastic was oversold, trying to look upwards, and this in fact a red candle this time certainly will try to reverse it a bit from here. The MACD is in red and trying to converge here. Certainly this red candle on the month will make it divergent from here. The RSI is again looking downwards. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the levels and strategy for next week, which position we should take and at what levels. Remember, there is a whole long week left in front of us, and hence there could be swings, and you have to enter at a buy level. If it's a buy entry, buy it. Book profits if it's sell entry, sell it and book profits. It can give you good swings also, and hence you need to trade with caution. The week is a long journey. Markets can give you good swings. So now first let's talk about the buy entries here. Yes, you can buy here at 33,220 levels. Beyond that, I will look forward to 33,400, 33,500 now, and then 33,600. See, I will talk in hundreds here, plus minus 10-20 points, just avoid it. But this zone is going to be critical for US30 for it to break. Yes, there is a possibility that it can break this zone. This is going to be a stronger resistance zone. These are very strong resistance level. If it trades beyond this zone at 33,600 directly, we can expect it to land at 34,000 levels, and beyond 34,000 I will look forward to 34,180 and 34,400 levels again. Possibility exists that it can rise till there, but at the same time we must not overlook the sell side. See, first, very strong resistance zone. It has to break past this in order to trade bullish. On the downside, I will recommend a sell entry only and only if you see it trading at 33,050, because below that I will expect it to hit at 32,950, 32,900 and then 32,800. Now on the downside, remember this fact: 32,900, 800, as we saw on the charts there. A probable closing at around 32,800 or 33,000 zone is very much likely that it can, if it tries to trade bearish, this zone is going to be very important, and possibly to remain in this zone, it can give you a red candle which might take it below 32,800, taking it till towards 32,600. 32,620, 32,500, and then 32,400. Now till here it has got a very good support till 32,400 levels, and there is a possibility for it to bounce back, and then probably the monthly closing can be at around 32,800, 33,000 levels. So if you see a good drop earlier this week at 32,800 levels, 32,500, 400 levels, there is a possibility for a revival also, you can confirm, and then it can reverse and close in this zone, and hence you have to trade with a stop loss. If you have to keep booking your profits on the upside, 33,500, 600 zone is going to provide a maximum resistance. On the downside, 32,500, 400 zone is going to provide the maximum support. It can also show you good swings, but breaking any of these levels on the upside or downside, there is a possibility for a good rise. Also, the closer of the monthly candle at around 32,800, 33,000 levels is something which you can look forward to. At the same time, on the upside, beyond 33,500, the next closer of the monthly candle should be at around 33,800, 34,000 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.